Hey guys, it is July 3rd, 2023. So here I got a call from a guy. His AC's not working. He did shut it off. Last time I talked to him, he pulled a disconnect. I think he was complaining about it icing up. We're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. Might need a juice job. We'll find out. Give it the old how you doing with the juice. Got some juice. We got some R22 juice, Miss Molly. We'll give him some. We'll put some juice in there for him.
Then take the first left.
Ka-ching, ka-ching. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Let's see, it's bound.
And I had that motor and I should have saved it. Well, it's spinning more than it was the other day.
Well, it ain't gonna work like that. I mean,
oh shit! I didn't even get it to spin. I got it to move about a half inch. I wonder if I should.
we're gonna have to put a new motor in it. I mean, does the compressor run?
Where's the compressor? Yeah. I don't know.
That's a problem.
I'm gonna turn it on. See what happens.
We're gonna turn it on.
I'll open this freaking screen door, and I'll be able to talk to you.
I can do it right from out here.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, hopefully. Lisa flipping upstairs was really...
It hadn't been changed, and yet I didn't even know there was filters in it, remember?
And I think I tried to clean the coil or something, and it was really bad.
Yeah. But it ran good for the season, because that was at the beginning of the season, and then it ran again last year.
You want to try to put? You want to try to put? You want to try changing this motor out? I mean, I got one in the truck. I probably could just change it out. Crazy.
I'm gonna turn it on, see if it's spinning now. Because I'll tell you, I don't know why. For some reason, it's spinning now. Because it wouldn't spin before.
Well, it ain't spinning. It ain't gonna.
It
ain't gonna work like that. I mean, that thing's got to spin freely. I mean, it's not even spinning. It moves a tiny bit. That ain't no good.
It needs a new one.
Definitely needs a new one. Needs a new fan. What I'm saying is, let's see if that's all it is. It might be something else that needs. I mean, that's what I don't want to start spending all kinds of time here. Go turn it on inside and we'll see if the compressor starts. Yeah. The compressor starts and the fan don't spin, then we got to change the fan. I'll just pull the disconnect. Spend all kinds of time and money on this thing if the compressor's burnt out. I mean, let's check it first. He's going to turn it on. We'll hear if the compressor runs, then we'll change the fan out. You turn it on?
Yeah, I wanted to open this first so you can hear me.
Yeah, well, if it starts, then we'll...
you told me to shut it off, yell.
Yeah, no, leave it on. I'm just going to pull the disconnect. Gotta get in here to the wires anyway, so... doesn't matter. Let's see if it starts. Yeah, it's gonna stop, but the fan's not gonna run, so that's good. At least we know the compressor's running, right? All right. So we'll put a new fan in it.
Yep.
I mean, it is an old unit, but
yeah.
You want to put it in, we can put it in.
Yeah, might as well. That's the only thing I think you should need.
Well, you won't know until we know until we get it in and start it and then check it and.
Yeah, like you said, this sucker is old, but I'll tell you, I've never had leaks, never had no problems with down here.
This is the old R22, and actually, shit was better than the new stuff. Runs on higher pressure.
Oh yeah.
And it don't last.
What's this, the old Freon too, right?
Now you're yeah, I got some of the R22. You don't want to have to pay for it though.
No, but I'm saying this still has the old stuff in it, Freon.
Yeah. Now let's see what size motor. I don't know if that's a. Did you try hitting it with WD-40?
No, I didn't.
Go get some. Go get some WD-40. Let's see if we can get this fucking thing going. Actually, let me get some better oil than that WD-40. I got some good penetrating oil. I mean, you don't want to spend a lot of money on this thing, right? Because it's old. That's the thing is, I'm gonna spend a lot of money on this fucker. Get some lube down in there. Look at that shit. I mean, you don't want to start spending a lot of money on this thing because it's so old.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep. What's a whole new unit going nowadays?
Oh man, you don't want to do that. You think it'll spin? Might.
I don't know. You're the AC guy, not me.
I mean, if we can get it to spin, you want to try it?
Sure.
And without changing, I'd rather do that than change the motor, to be honest
Sure.
with you.
Sure.
Let's put this cover back on. I think it's gonna go. I gave it a good douche. So.
I was gonna do that, and then I said, well, you know, I don't really know shit about this.
Let's
so
start
I didn't
it
know
up.
if it was gonna.
You got the thermostat off inside again, right?
No, it's on.
How come it's not pulling in? Unless this thing's got some kind of voltage, it's gotta be. You sure the thermostat's on? Because it's not calling.
Yeah, let me go.
Sometimes
it
these.
might be close to where it shuts off.
Yeah, you gotta turn it down. We'll see if this thing will run. I think it will. I mean, I don't want to put a lot of money into this thing. It's old. To be honest with you. Put a lot of money into it. Let's see if that works. Resistor. Should work. Give it a good douche. I just left that job. I oiled that condenser fan motor. I told a guy, you know, just oil it and it should be fine. It's an older unit. I want to start spending all kinds of money on replacing parts on an old piece of shit like that.
Turn right.
I'd let it go if I was him. That's what I told him. We talked about it and he's going to keep an eye on it. He's retired. And, could I put another condenser fan motor? Yeah, but I mean, the thing is just bound up from it never being oiled. Put a little oil in it, it might be fine. But anyway, we got them going, and some of these guys, you know, the system's 50 years old and they want to keep dumping money into it. It's like just a flipping waste. Keep it. I mean, if the thing wasn't working, we'd have to put another motor in it. That's different, but free it up, it might be fine. Gonna see. Sometimes you gotta make a judgment call on this stuff, and I don't think you should be dumping a lot of money. By the time you put a new capacitor and a new fan motor in there and labor, you know, you're gonna be looking at $500 to an old system that should be upgraded. So, just send them for a service call, go over there and oil it up, and put some of that PB Blaster, put a bunch of that PB Blaster in there, and should be fine. With the old high you doing? You're a little dinosaur juice. You're a little dinosaur piss. You'll be fine.